Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Grammy Crochet, and today is Sunday. So today is another amigurumi war video for the month of March. I am hosting this month for hashtag Amigurumi Wars 2023. Welcome to the yarn room. I know it's a little different setup than what we normally see. Usually you're back further, but I will admit that I did go Hobby Lobby shopping for the clearance. One store, one cart. I don't have room. I have to do some rearranging. I can't get to where I normally sit because I have yarn piled up there. That's for another video. And I'm not even facing the right direction here, so I don't know. It's like I can't ever get the right angle on this phone where it looks like it's looking me in the face. I always feel like I'm looking off to the side. But I'm not. Like, I can't figure out where the camera is. Maybe it's there. Maybe it's there. I don't know. Anyway, so this month for Amigurumi Wars, you have, the Amigurumi Wars is the brainchild of Anita from YOH Crochet. She'll be linked. Everybody will be linked. I forgot my list downstairs. We have several entries this week, several new entries. If you can make any amigurumi that you want. The choice is yours. If you make a pattern that is free, it is 1 point. If you make a pattern that is paid for, and that can be from a book, a kit, Ravelry, Etsy, anything where you purchase a pattern, that's 2 points. If you make a pattern from the Spotlight Designer, which you'll have to go see Anita at her channel for that video to know who the Spotlight Designer is, that is 3 points. At the end of the month, whoever has the most points wins a prize, a $25 gift card from me. At the end of the year, whoever has the most points, there's a different host every month. And at the end of the month, or at the end of the year, whoever has the most points, I believe, wins a prize from everyone who has hosted. Those are Anita's rules. I added to this that if you make a pattern, I don't care what pattern it is, paid for, whatever, free, whatever, with this being National Crochet Month, and then my good friend Lynette created this hashtag, Crochet for Me 2023, because it's National Crochet Month. She says you should make something for yourself. I totally am embracing that idea. And I did that, but it just coincidentally worked out that way. But I'm going to claim it anyway. With Easter coming up next month, I know a lot of people will be crocheting bunnies and chicks and Easter baskets and Easter things. But I added a special giveaway just for myself, a $25 entry. You'll get an entry for every item that you create. You make an amigurumi, whatever it is. I am crocheting this. This is the elephant friend. I'm not done. I don't know how much I crocheted on him since the last time that you saw her. Her appendages are attached. All of her stuff just with, but anyway, she's going to kind of look like this. I think I've added to her body since the last time that you guys saw her. Anyway, she is an elephant, and she was gifted to me from my good friend Laura at Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. And so she has this trunk that sits like this. And she's cute, isn't she? She's going to be adorable. But, so this is a paid for. I mean, if this was counting as points for me, paid for, because it's, Laura had to purchase it. So it's a paid for pattern. So that would be 2 points, towards the Amigurumi Wars. It is not a paid for pattern by the Spotlight designer, so just 2 points. But you see how her trunk is up like that? Because I want to participate in the extra prize giveaway, which will be a $25 gift card for, everyone that enters will get an opportunity to win a $25 e-gift card. It has to be Easter themed, be it religious, like she could wear a cross necklace. It could be Easter, just the bunnies, the baskets, whatever. Or it could be spring themed, because some people don't do holidays of any type. So it could be spring themed. She could be holding a basket of flowers. Sam from Manfos Makes created a bunny. No, a bee. Really, really cute. It'll be listed at the end of the video. And she did it in rainbow yarn because she's in the UK and they get a lot of rainbows in the spring. So she did it in rainbow yarn to participate in the Add a Spring or Easter theme. So my elephant is going to be holding an Easter egg, a dyed Easter egg that is going, which I started. And it's orange because it's in, because Laura gave it to me. The elephant. Laura gave me the elephant, and Laura's favorite color is orange. This is, I love this yarn in the color orange from Hobby Lobby. And so the elephant is going to hold, I think, the idea is that on her trunk, she's going to hold the Easter egg, like she found it. So that is my addition to an already made, to a pattern that was not traditionally Easter. You have to add something. So, and I can't remember who it was because I left my list downstairs. But someone created a bunny. The bunny itself doesn't count because for the extra. It was a paid for pattern from a book, so she gets the paid for pattern. So that would be 2 points for her. But then she crocheted the bunny to be holding a peep, like a chick, a little yellow bunny chick peep thing. I mean, I think it's supposed to be a peep. Those marshmallow bunny things, candies. So the bunny that she created, which would already be an Easter theme, so not extra, she added the peep, which then gives her the extra. So she will get an entry into the extra $25 gift card prize drawing. Make sense? So that being said, she'll get, no, Sam's was the Spotlight Designer's book. So Sam actually will get 3 points plus the entry because Sam's book that she created the bee from is from the Spotlight Designer. She has a book that is, I don't know how Sam got the book, but it's because it's on pre-order here in the States. But anyway, Sam has the book and she made a Spotlight Designer's, so she gets 3 points for that. I know that the bunny, that the peep was separate because she posted a picture of this is what the bunny looks like and this is what I made. So I could see that, oh yeah, that little extra yellow bunny is not part of the original amigurumi. So that's what you have to do. If you're adding extra, I need to be able to see what is the extra, or you need to point it out to me if it's like a, so include your add an extra picture with the picture, this is what it was, this is what I did, or, let me know. And people that email me have been really good about including the YouTube tutorial. So I have this whole list. I'm going to try to post all of the tutorials for everything, for all the pictures of everyone who has submitted pictures this week. If it's a book, I will maybe list it. I wrote it down to put in the notes. So you can post your pictures to my Facebook group page, which is linked below. And I keep trying to get rid of that spammer. I don't know who keeps putting those things on there, but I keep trying to get them deleted, and I thought I had it stopped for a minute, and now they're coming back under another name, which I keep reporting and suspending and all of that, so just bear with me. But you have to be subscribed, you know, you have to be a member. Just ask to be a member, you get to be a member. To the Facebook group page, you can put your pictures there. Include the hashtag in either email, which is also listed below, or the Facebook group page. The hashtag Amigurumi Wars 2023. That way I can easily find them on Facebook. And, you know, that in my email, I know it's not junk. Not that you guys send me junk, but I do get junk. Like, don't we all? So watch at the end here and see everybody's pictures. Everybody's doing so good. And if you haven't participated, you still got time. We got till the end of the month. The final drawing and number count I will be putting up. I'm doing these videos every Sunday. So the final drawing and the final count will be done on April 2nd. The month is still going to end on the 31st, but that'll give me, you know, till Sunday, because, you know, I work. So that'll give me till Sunday to get my act together and get the video out with the drawing and the point totals and all of that. Because the extra thing that you make, that's going to be a drawing. The point totals is just the point totals. There's nothing I can do for you as far as that goes. But the drawing is just going to be random. And I'm keeping a ledger on Google Docs. I'm so proud of myself. I'm figuring that stuff out. So yay for me. So anyway, I will see you in the next video, which, spoiler alert, might be a yarn haul if I ever get my room straightened out and can show you what I got at Hobby Lobby. And yeah. It's a mess. But that's for another video. So I'll see you tomorrow or whenever. Bye.